bathtub's not draining. See all this flaking off? I've seen that clog bathtubs up before, so if that's happening, you usually need to reglaze because that's what's causing the clog, or at least attributing to the clog. So, first step, check this. That tells me that the clog may just be in the waste pipe here and not the trap, or beyond the trap. Yeah, look at all that. Wow. All right, after you verify that the waste is clear of any hair, check it. Still holding water. I'll take off the overflow right here. So sometimes the clog is from the plunger thing here, the little bathtub stopper. And I'm having a hard time getting it out, so that may be the reason for the clog here. And it's actually not hair. So that's why you always have to check this. So after you get that out, just test it. Nope. Still holding water, so that's not the issue. Sometimes these will get stuck where the waste and the overflow meet, but that's not the case here. So now we'll snake it through the overflow. You can stick the snake in there just to maybe pull out some hair, but you always want to do it from here, the overflow. Definitely got some hair, still not going down. So, try it again. So in this circumstance, even though you're not supposed to snake it from here, I just stick it in there enough to make sure that it's all clear. And that's actually where the clog was. It's draining now, but there was a little bit in the trap and beyond, so cumulative effort here with going through the overflow and through the waste. Here's the reason you don't want to snake it from here.